ମୋତେ ତୁମର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଦରକାର। I need your help. I need your help. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହ କଥା ହେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହ ପରେ କଥା ହେବି। I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ପରେ କଲ୍ କରିବି। I will call you later. I will call you later. ସେ ବହୁତ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରେ। She is very talkative. She is very talkative. ତୁମେ ଏଠାକୁ କେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଲ? When did you come here? When did you come here? ତୁମର ସମୟ ନଷ୍ଟ କର ନାହିଁ। Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. ସମୟ ମୂଲ୍ୟବାନ ଅଟେ। Time is precious. Time is precious. ତୁମେ ଏଠାରେ କେତେ ସମୟ ରହିବ? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? ଏହି ବସ୍ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯିବ? Where will this bus go? Where will this bus go? ମୁଁ ତମ ସହ କଥା ହେଇପାରିବି କି? Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? ମନ୍ଦିର କେତେ ଦୂର? How far is the temple? How far is the temple? ଆମକୁ କେତେ ଦୂର ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ? How far do we have to go? How far do we have to go? ପୁରୀରେ ଭଗବାନ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର ଅଛି। There is Lord Jagannath temple in Puri. There is Lord Jagannath temple in Puri. ମୁଁ ପୁରୀ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to go to Puri. I want to go to Puri. ତୁମେ କିଛି କହିଲ କି? Did you say something? Did you say something? ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ। I did not hear you. I did not hear you. ସେ ଗତକାଲି ଏଠାକୁ ଆସିଥିଲା। He came here yesterday. He came here yesterday. ତୁମର ଫୋନ୍ ବାଜୁଛି। Your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖିବା ଜାରି ରଖ। Keep learning English. Keep learning English. ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ତୁମେ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ କି? Do you understand what I speak? Do you understand what I speak? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। I want to help you. I want to help you. ତୁମେ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣିପାରୁଛ କି? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? ତୁମ ପାଖରେ ତୁମ ପରିବାର ପାଇଁ ସମୟ ଅଛି କି? Do you have time for your family? Do you have time for your family?